Hi, this is Jeff Hale with Halo Inc. Ryan Blair had a really good question. He was curious on how do we cast to our display TVs. Throughout the shop, you'll notice if you look around, there's TV, pretty sizable television on each wall. These TVs are designed so we can show the WIP, which is our work in progress, so everybody can see what's going on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Google Chrome, which I've done here, pull up our WIP, our work in progress. This is our Core Bridge is the program that we use. And then in this upper right hand corner, you have Google Chrome's little three dots. I'm going to click on those three dots, come down to cast, and the television that we happen to be casting to right now is going to be Halo Inc. Digital TV, which is the one that's over our small format presses. Hit that, and looks like I need to change the input on the TV. Looks like somebody was using it for something else. I'm going to change the input to HDMI 2. And voila, we've casted the screen. So now, anywhere from the digital printing department, we can see, we'll come over here on design, and this happens to be the design WIP. We can bring this guy up, and now everybody can see what's in the design WIP. If we're working on actually printing, we can go to our production WIP and go to WIP, take our substatus and drop it to small format printing, and that's going to show us what's in the small format printing WIP. So it makes it easy, makes it accessible. And with the Google Chromecast, we can do that from any computer here. So have a great day.